There's a concert at the airport. This is on me now. It's June 23rd. It's Friday. It's 11:32 a.m.
It's alright. It's been a long and lonely winter.
The fox in the back of the... Do you see it by the fence?
There's a mini ear grass.
And he loves to have his tummy scratched.
So is this place rusted? How do I know if it's right?
It's not ripe. Don't pick
That always
them.
reminds me of Dustin. I just picked it.
Okay. They're not ripe yet.
Let's see.
I'm just gonna do a little pano.
It's already ruined.
Oh my god. I'm feeling...
The gals.
I'm feeling at peace right now.
Aw, I'm glad.
This is so beautiful. It's okay.
Say hi, Berkeley. Thank you, Berkeley.
Yeah, sure. You'll take us?
Do it now, man.
Yeah.
Don't get me on film. I'm ugly right now. Here.
I'm ugly too right now. That's why we all had to be on there, but it's my birthday, 8:30 a.m. on June 24th.
Wow.
I'm 23. Hey, welcome to my crib.
What is breakfast?
You're supposed to eat over your bowl.
He's letting a lot of it go.
I know.
Patty. Like
Yeah.
a true cow patty.
Smells really good.
Throw in this pile.
Well, those, right? But they're also...
Oh shit. There are a fuck ton of these. Wonder what those are.
So gray that they're blue.
Wonder if they're, you know.
Picture, but you were doing something in it.
She was busy yelling at you.
Oh.
What do you think?
Oh, bye.
It's okay, sweetie.
Oh, look at him. See that loofahs? We have loofahs that are like this big. Let's go look. So cute.
Right?
Yeah.
Like, not quite as long as Florida, but like...
Right.
How long is your winter?
It's like 3 months, basically. December, January, February, you know.
Bus tour.
Oh, you can definitely stand up in here.
Yeah,
like...
it's 6'2".
So what's the
ceilings.
vision?
So like a little table right here, a little booth, and a little booth. And then there's going to be a big kitchen right here. I've got the sink for it already.
Ooh.
And a countertop so I can make soap.
Ooh.
I like the fish. Look, they have a Bob Rossi type. And a turtle. Look at that turtle. Look. Life turtle. Then
Oh,
these
shit.
cats. Look at these cats.
Oh, I didn't even see any of that.
Here, I'll put it in the bag.
Battery low.
No way. Batteries are new though.
Thank you so much.
Is it working?
I don't know.
Strong, so I like it. But it's too late, baby, now it's too late. Though we really did try to make it. Something inside has died and I can't hide it, I just can't fake it. Oh no, no. rolling,
yeah.
rolling,
Rolling on the river.
rolling on the river,
Rolling,
rolling,
rolling, yeah.
rolling,
Rolling on the river.
rolling on the river.
Somewhere in the crowd there's you. You're so loved. Where did we go wrong? Hey there, Mr. Brooks. Just a place to be with you. Look around, see what you do. Look around, it's as if
This is fucked up. I don't know.
you're literally an Italian classic right now.
I can't do it. Oh no. I got this one. Mama zumba zumba bacala. Oh mama zumba zumba bacala. Oh mama zumba zumba bacala. Zumba 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 bacala. C'è la luna mezza mare. Mamma mia Marti mare.
Look at that footwork, everybody. Oh my god.
I haven't had one of these in a long time. It's so good.
Smoke it.
I just like. It looks so pretty, actually.
Look at how many she has. Look at that.
Yeah, she got it. She gets it.
Separated.
There's nothing
We're
on
in
this
this together. The orcas.
The orcas are on the other on the coast of Spain. You're fine.
Nervous.
You'll be
I won't
okay.
push you in.
You're in the front. You'll have the least amount of power.
Now you face the front, obviously. You got it.
Yes. There you go. Don't touch her. Don't touch her. No. No. All right. Any
I'm ready.
last
Are
words?
you ready, Bella?
Yes.
All right.
Ready?
You're ready. Push off.
It's actually kind of really nice out. Excuse me. Guys, it's a big tree.
Yeah, I know. I'm kind of bummed out about it.
Oh no, it's different, guys. It's different, guys. No, those are the same ones. Still, stupid man. Look at how good Erin looks right now.
It looks like she's going to a funeral by kayak.
Oh shoot!
They're leaving.
Coming to you from Landis Farms. It's a beautiful day. It's our last full day here. Well, Erin and Julia and Bella's, but I'm loving it. I want to stay longer.
Wave goodbye or something.
Parking lot closed off for 30 minutes of free parking.
Oh.